Dragonfly. Because dragonflies are insects, they have 6 legs and 3 body parts: a thorax, a head, and an abdomen. Dragonflies do have a pair of antennae. They are very tiny and difficult to see. Dragonflies have an exoskeleton. Despite having 6 legs, the dragonfly doesn't walk very well. It is a great flyer, however. One of the best things about dragonflies is that they eat mosquitoes and gnats. They are carnivores and eat all types of other insects too. To catch their prey, dragonflies create a basket with their legs. They then swoop in, capturing their prey with their legs and biting it to hold it in place. In order to see predators and catch food, dragonflies have large compound eyes. These eyes are made up of thousands of smaller eyes and allow the dragonfly to see in all directions. Dragonflies actually have 2 sets of wings. This helps them in flying because they don't have to beat their wings as often. Dragonflies go through incomplete metamorphosis, which only has 3 stages: egg, nymph, and adult. Dragonflies breathe through holes in their abdomen called spiracles.